Hey y'all, what's going on? Welcome. So, lots of people, like a lot of people do know about the so-called gelatin trick, right? This gelatin trick, it has been getting a lot of buzz because it's something that is simple. It's something that is easy and it's something that makes a big difference, all right? Like, what really matters is how a simple daily habit can actually fit into a routine that supports a lighter body pattern over time. And that's the beauty of the gelatin trick because this gives you that approach towards something that you've always been wanting to have but never could. So if you want to understand like how this gelatin trick is actually meant to be used and why people are including it into their daily routine, you can check out the official webpage that I did leave for you just here below this video. I also pinned it in the very first comments below, so you know you're going to the right place, guys. But the cool thing about this gelatin trick is how easy it is to just include it into like a morning habit. And the big difference it gives you is simply incredible. So people, yes, have been feeling a lot happier, have been feeling much more energized, have been having much more vitality. So this is something that I don't know, people are actually like really enjoying. So if you want to also understand what this gelatin trick is, do pop over to this webpage right here before it gets taken down. You know how these things are, right? When something really works, some people don't really like it, right? So pop over there right now. Thanks for watching.